to be already. Hello. Amy.
Oh, I want to look at this fat one. It's huge.
It's so huge.
They're all so fat and cute.
One leg.
These are all the obese chickens. Well, pigeons.
Doves and pigeons. Wow, I didn't know doves could get that huge. What the hell is that? It's not a pigeon. It's not a dove. It's a pigeon dove. Pigeon dove? That one's so cute. That was fat. You are so cute. Can I keep you? Look at the chicken.
Close up, eh?
It doesn't lick you.
It doesn't lick you.
Lick you.
Oh, ah, this guy's scary. Zoom in. Look at his pants.
Look at it.
You see his pants?
They're all wearing pants. Because they're all so fat.
That's so cute.
They should have them.
Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, that's like a freak show. It's got like a brain on its head. Ew. They don't have eyes. Oh my gosh, look at you.
Oh my gosh, you're huge.
Whoa.
Amy.
Teased hair much? Whoa. Look how big these guys are. They have teased hair. It's like big and fluffy.
They grow their way naturally. I don't like their face.
Yeah.
Your eyeballs.
And they've got like ugly brain things.
Inside out.
Ew! I'm guessing your day's not been very good, eh? You look depressed.
Hello.
Hello!
Ew. It looks like its brain is wrong.
Yeah, that's what I said.
That looks like a flipper.
Whoa! Whoa, anorexic.
Like how big and fatty. Wake up. We crossed out.
Whoa.
I thought it was a dog.
Oh my god.
That is animal cruelty.
How is it even that big?